Hi, I'm Sam Hoff. We're here at Harold D. Lutz Sports Complex. Come follow me around. I work with athletic field programming, and come see what we do in a day. I'll start my day by raking and dragging all 8 of our fields, getting them nice and flat, getting all the cleat marks out from the night before, and then after that, second half of the day, I'll chalk them and set the bases for whatever the user groups need the base distance to be at. A lot of this job is noticing the little details and what needs work on the fields. A lot of water is important. We don't want our fields to get too dusty. We don't want, when the wind comes, because it definitely has a lot of wind around here, we don't want it to get all dusty and get up in their faces when they're playing. So it's important to water these fields a lot, important to drag to make it nice and flat and get rid of cleat marks. And there's really a lot that goes into it, making it nice and pretty. So I started working for my college. I went to St. Mary's, College of California, started working and taking care of their field, and then I ended up getting a job with the San Francisco Giants and started taking care of their field for 2 years, and that's what really got me interested in this line of work. We're only halfway through the year and we've already had 22,000 hours put into these fields and over 40,000 participants in all of our fields. It feels really rewarding because we see what all our hard work goes to, and it gives me a sense of enjoyment and happiness seeing that all the work and hours all of our crew has put in on our fields. It really gives us a good feeling to see everyone playing on them because it's really rewarding to see that.